it's essentially like a way to say thank you. So thank you for talking about us to your friends.
In the initial days, we used to pay 10% of the brokerage for as long as the customer stayed with us. We were saying thank you forever. Not many businesses do that. At what point did you figure out this? Because our referral program is a unique story, which you'll have to tell. At what point did that idea dawn on you saying that referrals could be a growth lever for the business? And how did that entire story about us figuring out a referral program? Because it was very unique.
So when we first decided on Zerodha, when I first went to the website designer, the first two utilities that were built on our website one was a brokerage calculator,
which was revolutionary in its own sense.
It was revolutionary because it made it transparent.
Yeah. Simple, but it changed the way broking works in India.
And second thing was a referral calculator. So like we said, you refer 10 people, he generates so much business, how much can you make? So referral was like the first thing, because even before Zerodha, I was running this. I was running like different groups on platforms like Orkut and Facebook, and there was a Tradergy and things like that. So then I knew that, how do we get our customers to talk about us?
Yeah.
And so it started right from then. I think for us, referral as a lead source, as in like 25% of our business.
That's just what we know of.
I mean, what you don't know of.
Yeah, I think it's 40 easily.
Much more. I think if 25% have come to us
and enter that code,
So I would say, probably 50-60% more.
I mean, I was also a referral customer because I learned from Varsity, and my father and my brother sort of pushed me into using Zerodha because they were very familiar with the platform.
And you probably didn't come through a referral.
Yeah, I didn't come through a referral.
Yeah.
Shadow rep.
We figured that, giving a customer a reason to refer will possibly be a good reason. I think it was going really well until last 2024.
Yeah.
When SEBI exchanges regulation came in and said that, it can't really pay these referrals. And then there was clarity on this. So
now we're about to restart.
It's essentially like a way to say thank you. So thank you for talking about us to your friends. And
but in the initial days, we used to pay 10% of the brokerage for as long as the customer stayed with us. We were saying thank you forever. Not many businesses do that. Maybe there are other models where it's a lifelong referral fee, but at least in India, I don't know. We were probably the only.
Like, if I could go back in time, we would have probably said thank you for 10 years.
Because we couldn't afford to give a whole lot of money in the initial days also.
Correct, yeah. So, but then it worked out really well for us as a business. So hopefully now that the business also is plateauing, that's also a reason why we thought, we should bring it back again.
But even without that, I think still 15% of the customers again, maybe 20-25, it's more or less not really changed dramatically.
I mean, because we don't advertise.
Yeah.
So our customers are talking about us to their customer, to the other friends and referring, it's quite crazy actually how many people come to refer.
I can't think of many other businesses where word of mouth does. It's like the chief brand ambassador for our business almost.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.